You are listening to AI with Shaily, where I, Shailendra Kumar, guide you through the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence and tech innovation. Today, let's talk about something that's lighting up social media and AI circles alike. Google's bold comeback with their Gemini AI-powered smart glasses for 2026. Remember the original Google Glass? Back in 2013, it promised the future, but ended up more of a quirky tech misstep, bulky, awkward, with limited apps. Fast forward to now, and imagine a sleek, stylish pair of glasses that are basically a smartphone for your face, powered by cutting-edge Gemini AI. The buzz kicked off after Google's VP Shahram Izadi demoed these prototypes at TED 2025, showing off real-time object recognition, live translation in 30 languages, and even context memory that remembers what you've seen minutes ago. That's a leap from those clunky first tries. What's even more exciting is Google partnering with Samsung for a commercial release under their brand and launching two categories: audio only glasses and monocular display versions with a 70-degree field of view. Plus, companies like Warby Parker and Gentle Monster are on board for style and comfort. Developers have already gotten their hands on dev kits with emulators to build new experiences powered by Wear OS, complete with gesture controls and watch previews. Behind the scenes, DeepMind's Project Astra AI is stealing the show, demoed on CBS 60 Minutes and Google I/O 2025, enabling hands-free control through voice and gaze, visual searches on the fly, and a nifty 10-minute visual recall. This could seriously replace your smartphone in ways we dreamed about for years. And yes, privacy concerns are sparking lively debates, especially about those tiny LEDs and on-device processing. I remember when I first tried an original glass prototype years ago. Felt like wearing the future, but also the awkwardness of a tech experiment gone too fast. Now, seeing these new designs that you'd actually want to wear all day is a game changer. Miniaturization, sleekness, realistic avatars for calls, and travel mode for on the go use. You name it, these glasses seem to tick all the boxes. Here's a bonus tip for you tech enthusiasts. If you want to be ahead of the curve, start experimenting with the Android Studio emulators for these XR devices now. Building apps that harness Gemini AI and leverage voice and gaze controls could put you in a great spot once these glasses hit the market. So here's a question to ponder. If your glasses could replace your phone, how much would your day-to-day digital life change? Would you even want that kind of seamless connection? I'll leave you with a quote that resonates with this innovation journey. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. Alan Kay. This is Shailendra Kumar, your host on AI with Shaily. Follow me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium for more updates, deep dives, and practical AI insights. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts on Google's Gemini glasses in the comments. I love hearing your perspectives. Stay curious, stay inspired, and until next time, keep exploring the AI frontier.